Hello friends and followers. Well, I'm still looking at if my ALS-1300 linear amplifier from Ameritron is working correctly, and it turns out it is. And so, as you know from my last video, I had the amp apart and I had to repair the 20-meter wire which wasn't working from the ARI-500 remote controller. So here's a schematic of the band switch, and really the magic of this thing is in the band switch. So if you look at this thing, these diodes here are basically OR gates. And so the way this works is the 12 volts comes in from the remote, and it'll come in through here, light up the LED, and ignore all this, and then it just basically goes out. Comes in through here, goes out into the filter, into the filter board, and activates the relays in the filter board. So that's how that works. 80 meters, the same thing exactly. 40 meters, the same thing exactly. These bands are distinct. But the last two bands, 20 meters, 15 and 10, things get interesting. How interesting? Well, these diodes here are basically OR gates. So what that tells us is, if we go say to 30 meters here, 30 meters and 20 are the same band as far as this thing's concerned. So here's 30, here's 20, follow 30 up, goes into this diode here. You follow 20, it goes into this diode here. Let's see, 30 goes into that one, 20 goes into where? This diode down here. Okay, yeah, so 30 goes here, 20 goes there. Follow the diodes cascaded, or they're an OR gate basically, and they come out here to the 20 meter pin. So only a 20 meter light is going to be used on 30 meters or 20 meters. The same thing for 17 and 15. It uses the 15 meter band. So 17 meters comes out, goes into this diode here. 15 goes into this diode here. So it's another OR gate, and that goes to the, my mouse keeps freaking out here. That goes to the 15 meter pin right there. So you're only going to get a 15 meter light. 10 meters, the same deal. 12 and 10. Those go out through these two diodes here. And there's a jumper which will disable these things. And will that work on the remote? It will. Let's see, it comes in through here on the remote on 10 up through here. Yes, it will disable the remote also. Okay, so that jumper has to be in place for 10 to work. I should take it out because I don't have 10 working. At any rate, 10 works the same way. So on your amplifier, on your ALS-1300, you're only going to see lights lit up. You'll see the 160 light come on, LED come on. You'll see the 80 LED come on. You'll see the 40 LED. You'll see 20, 15, and 10. That's it. You're not going to see the LED for 17. You're not going to see it for 12. And you're not going to see it for 30. So these are more for the humans to be happy and set it to something, I guess, to establish correctness. But these don't really do anything. If you go to 30, you'll be on 20. If you go to 17, you'll be on 15. If you go to 12, you'll be on 10. So that's how this works. These are basically a no operation on 30, a no op on 17, a no op on 12, because those all default to 20 and 15 and 10. So I hope that straightens people out that are using this thing. And then we come to the demo. So sure enough, I've done this before, but I'll show it again. We'll go to 160. I'm already on 160. We'll go there again. Of course, you want to hear the click. And now we're on 160, and we'll have a 160 light over on the amp. There's the 160 LED. If I go to 80, I'll get an 80 LED. There we go. Here's the 80 LED. Now, I'm on the Flex 6400. What if I press the 60? There's nothing in here for 60 at all, is there? No, there's not. So if I hit 60 here, 60 meters, click, where does it end up? So it assumes 40. Whether or not that'll work on 60 and not flip out the amplifier, I don't know. Maybe disable that band. And of course, since it's now on 40, I hit 40, nothing happens. I hit 30, click, 30 will take it to 20. And sure enough, there's the 20 right there. And since we're on 20, going to 20 won't change it. It'll simply do nothing. Won't click. Now we're on 20. Now we go to 17. And as we know, that'll bring in 15. So sure enough, there's 15 selected. And if I select 15 here, there's no difference. Now I select 12, and that takes us to 10. So there's 10 meters. And of course, if I hit 10 here, nothing will happen. It's already on 10. So that's it. What if I hit 6? Nothing happened. It stays on 10. If I'm on 160, and I hit 6, I guess it goes back to 10. So the Flex says 6 meters. Oh no, it went to nothing. So I turned everything off. That'll blow the amp up. So don't transmit. No filters are engaged. That's bad. So you definitely want to disable 6 with the amps on. That's about it. Click, click, click. All right, that's my demo. I hope you found it useful. Have a nice day.